Goes in, all set and racing away in the second of the afternoon. Gorgeous Gabby, favourite, hopped out very smartly in the centre of the course. She's one of the early leaders. Victim of Love, the green cap, is right in touch with them. Tequila Fizz is also now going off to show plenty of early speed. Sportorio just in behind these. They followed by I'm a Legend, who's dropped a couple off them. Al Zera towards the inside in the yellow is racing about 4 or 5 off the lead. Also well back, Lucky Tuesday in Nara is at the back of the field as they race down towards the final 700 metres. Tequila Fizz in the white cap has come forward to pick it up in the centre of the course and opened up the leaded by a couple to Victim of Love over towards the inside. Gorgeous Gabby tracks the leading group back in third. Sportorio's over towards the inside. African Showers is just in behind these, and now Lucky Tuesday is warming to the task and starting to quicken up nicely as they come down to the final 400. Down towards the inside, Victim of Love meantime has come forward to pick it up. Gorgeous Gabby now on the charge in the centre of the course, and Sportorio's racing in behind those. Gorgeous Gabby in the centre and Victim of Love, these two fighting it out back towards the outside. Inara is coming home late, but it's Gorgeous Gabby who's come to the front at the right time and is going away. Gorgeous Gabby goes on to win it from Victim of Love back second. Flashing home on the outside, Inara may have just got third ahead of Sportorio.